This is Jacob, and this is a Yoga Nidra to help calm the mind and bring peace into your life. This is your go-to Yoga Nidra for those times when you might feel overwhelmed or maybe having difficulty making a decision or going through a difficult time and could use a much needed down regulation. Begin to relax, finding a space either in your Nidra nest, your bed, or on the earth where you can feel absolute comfort and safety. This place is like a protective cocoon, your sanctuary during this practice, where the past and future slip away. Are there any adjustments you can make to become even 5% more comfortable? Any micro adjustments that you can make to become even 1% more comfortable? With each breath, begin to release the tension from your mind. No forcing. Simply moving the breath through the body, filling the lungs, allowing your belly, your sides, your rib cage to expand naturally and as much as is comfortable for you. The muscle of your mind relaxing, letting go. Your neck and head releasing tension. Perfect fluidity and flow through your mind and brainstem. Bring your focus onto your third eye. You might imagine breathing in and out through your third eye. As the breath comes in, the air massages your brain and head so gently. And as you breathe out, all residual tension is released. Continue like this for a few moments. Now bring up your sankalpa, your heart's desire or intention. This can be a word, a phrase, an image, a color. If you don't have a sankalpa, you might like to use the following intention. I am resilient and at peace. I am resilient and at peace. Repeat this now to yourself one time as you breathe in through your third eye one last time. We'll now experience a rotation of consciousness, drawing your conscious awareness to different parts of your body, following the guidance of my voice. Sensing your 10 toes and the space around your 10 toes, your feet, both legs, hips, pelvic floor, navel, chest, both arms, hands, all 10 fingers, and the space around all 10 fingers. Sensing your shoulders and traps, releasing tension, dropping further away from your ears. Your neck, mouth, nose, ears, eyes, your mind's eye center, the whole front side of your body, the whole back side of your body, the left side of your body, the right side of your body, your entire body. Returning your attention to your breath. As you inhale, allow your lungs to fully expand and hold at the top for 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and letting go, allowing yourself to relax even deeper on the exhalation. See how good it feels to remain motionless for just a few moments. And again, inhale fully and hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and letting go. Continue like this for a few more rounds. Now inhale fully again and hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and letting go. And now hold at the bottom for 8 seconds as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and inhale fully, fill the lungs, and hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, letting go and relaxing deeper. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue like this for a few more rounds. As you continue this cycle of breathing, replace the counting with repeating your sankalpa or intention. Inhale fully. I am resilient and at peace. I am resilient and at peace. And exhale, relaxing deeper. I am resilient and at peace. I am resilient and at peace. And again, continuing at your own pace. Feel the energy through the body, the energy of safety and confidence flowing effortlessly, finding that you are becoming slightly more wakeful, slightly more energized with each breath you take. Re-engaging your senses, the sounds around you, the aromas, if it feels right for you, maybe bringing a bit more life to your fingers and toes. Or you might like to rest a little deeper, a little longer. If you've begun waking up the body, maybe you'd like to roll on your side or just simply rolling out your ankles and wrists. Eventually, fluttering the eyes open when you're ready. Thank you for participating in my Yoga Nidra. Feel into what your body is asking for, whether it's time to get up or continue to lay peacefully resting your body. I love to hear about how you enjoyed this practice, so please feel free to leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel to practice with me again as I release frequent new Nidras. I invite you to also explore my website, jacobmark.com, and my social media, it's Jacob Mark, to discover other ways we can continue to work together. Wishing you a peaceful day, and I hope to see you again soon.